Hi guys, it's me Poonam and I hope you all are doing good. So guys, today I have got one ancient secret to share with you all, and that's my copper vessel. Now don't look at this that it's dirty or something, but over a period of time, copper takes and converts itself into such thing. So guys, copper vessel is something which I have grown literally seeing in my Dadima's house and in my Nanima's house. And copper is one metal which is very good for your body, but the sad part is that your body does not produce copper, so we need to take it from external sources. So in my today's video, I'm going to share everything you want to know about copper vessel, how to do it and which one to buy for, the benefits of it. So let's just quickly start our video. So guys, the first and foremost quality of copper is that it helps as natural water purifier. Yes, it does. It has got all sterilizing properties, so it just kills all the germs and bacteria from the water, and you get really fresh and pure water if you store your water in copper containers. Interesting? Yeah, it is. And the next point is that it helps you in increasing your iron levels in your body. Now you all must have been thinking, how is that possible? So water, actually copper leads to better absorption of iron in your body. So when you drink this water, so it improves iron levels in your body, and it is very good for all anemic people. So all anemic people, please start drinking water from this copper vessel. And the next point is really interesting, and that is this water helps you in your weight loss journey. Yes, it does, because copper vessel water actually improves your metabolism, and once it is improved, it helps you in losing down your fat. And it has also got the water, like when we store water into these containers, it provides a positive charge into the water, which helps you in cutting down the fat jaldi se. So the next point is it helps you in better digestion. Now this is one point which my grandparents always used to tell me. This was the main purpose why they used to drink water from that vessel. Now when you drink water from this vessel, it actually improves digestion. It has got digestive enzymes in it, which when you drink it early morning helps you in better digestion. So all the problems when you have related to digestion, that is of bloating, of constipation, and all these problems will be sorted out. Just have it early morning, right? And the next one is that it has got anti-inflammatory properties. So it really works for people who have got arthritis problem and also joint problem. So this is one point I still remember. My grandmother used to have this problem of arthritis, and she used to drink this water regularly, and I always used to ask her, why are you doing it? So this is what reason, and the answer she used to give me for this particular question. So you should also try it, guys. And now one very important point is that it just slows down your aging process. Now you all must have been thinking, how is it possible? But yes, it is possible, because copper has got antioxidants in it, which works on your body, which works on your skin actually. So when your skin starts getting harmed because of harsh UV rays and because of the strong weather conditions and all those problems, so it just works on your skin, it rejuvenates it, and you get a very soft and supple skin, right? So these are the benefits of copper, and there are many other benefits as well, but I think these are good enough to keep us motivated to drink water from copper vessel. Now we just move on to other parts, like to our next part of the video. First of all, let me tell you that when you're going to buy this product from market, so it is available in different shapes and sizes. Like you get copper vessel mugs, jugs, and water bottles are also there these days. So you can buy whatever suits you. I feel this is good in case if you have to store water in the house, because it comes with a lid as well. But if you're going to office and all, so you should go for water bottle which you can, you know, carry with you wherever you're going, even for your workout. So guys, the range starts from 4,500 and it goes till 4,500. So I always suggest go for a good brand copper vessel, because the copper content should be more, so that it gives you more properties, right? Next thing is that you have to store the water in copper vessel for minimum 7 to 8 hours if you want to have copper properties into your water, right? So raat ko, whenever you are like about to hit the bed, so around 9 or 10, you just store the water, and please, you have to store normal water in it. No thanda pani, no garam pani. Just store the water, natural room temperature water, and have it early morning when you get up, right? Without even brushing your teeth. So morning, whenever you get up, just drink a glass of water. And as I always say, you have to drink water very slowly, and always drink it while sitting. No standing and drinking water, right? So yes, now you can also use it as a natural container to store your water. Like during daytime, if you want to store water, you can keep in it. And even when you're traveling and all, you can carry your water bottle along. It will also help if you're not getting the properties, but it will keep your water safe from germs and bacteria, right? Now, one very important point, guys, when you are drinking this water. Now, few people, like I've seen, they say their stomach gets disturbed with this water. So always keep a check on it whenever you're drinking this water. If you find any stomach upset problems, then you can stop drinking this water. Otherwise, you can continue having this water the way you're taking, right? And one very important point to be kept in mind is that when you are drinking water, because many people, they complain that body becomes very toxic. Yes, what you have to do is, like, you have to drink this water for, like, if you're starting it now, you drink it for 3-4 months, and then after 3 months give it a break for at least 20-30 days, and then again you can start drinking this water, right? So do keep this point in your mind, and please don't add any other thing into it. And when you're drinking water from copper vessel, always try to drink it in a glass water, right? Because we don't want to mix the properties of copper with any other metal. So glass is always safe, because it never, reacts with any other metal. So always drink this water into a glass vessel. So I think I've given you enough of gyan on copper vessel, and I'm sure you guys will introduce it into your daily life. Happy watching, and guys, if you really like my video, please share it with people, and do subscribe to my channel. Lots of love and blessings to you all. Namaste.